Nandini.
A very good evening to a very good evening to everyone present here. Libraries store the energy that fuels the imagination. They open up windows to the world and inspire us to explore and achieve and contribute to improving our quality of life. With this great note, I would like to welcome you all for the session on challenging role of library and information centers in digital era. Prayer is the link that connects us with God. In the praise of Goddess Vasavamba, I would like to welcome Kritika from 2nd BCom A to sing prayer song.
श्रीमहेश्वरि वासवी नगरीश्वरी परमेश्वरी कामितार्थमुलिच्चि ब्रूवमु कन्यका परमेश्वरी देवदेवी महेश्वरी जगदीश्वरी भुवनेश्वरी काववे ममुयल्ल वेलल कन्यका परमेश्वरी बालचन्द्रगिरिप्रदारिणि भव्यसुन्दररूपिणी वैशवंशयशोभिवर्धिनि कन्यका परमेश्वरी श्रीमहेश्वरि वासवी नगरीश्वरी परमेश्वरी कामितार्थमुलिच्चि ब्रूवमु कन्यका परमेश्वरी कन्यका परमेश्वरी कन्यका परमेश्वरी.
Thank you, Kritika. A beautiful smile is the best universal welcome. It can make the day and good day easily. I would like to welcome Dr. Malati Ma'am, librarian of SKPC, to welcome the gathering.
Thank you, Nandini. Good evening to one and all present here. I would like to welcome our beloved guest of the day, Dr. J. Vivekavardhan, librarian, Central University of Kerala. We heartily welcome you, sir. I also thank our ever supporting correspondent, Muthugodu Sarat Kumar, sir, Principal Dr. T. Mohanasri, ma'am, Vice Principal Dr. P.B. Vanitha, ma'am, and M.V. Napinay, ma'am. I also welcome our Library and Information Science Department faculties, students, and research scholars who are ready to render their active participation. It gives me immense and great pleasure to welcome you all.
Thank you, ma'am. I feel gratitude to introduce our guest speaker of the day, Dr. J. Vivekavardhan. Working as librarian in Central University of Kerala and former head of the department and chairman board of studies, Department of Library and Information Science, Osmania University, Hyderabad. He served as the additional controller of PG exams, Osmania University. He also served as a coordinator, Equal Opportunity Cell, Special Officer, Exam Cell, University College of Arts and Social Sciences. He obtained MTech, MSc, MLI Science, MEd from Osmania University. He was awarded PhD from Osmania University. PhD thesis entitled as A Study of Web Search Engines with particular reference to information retrieval features. He is also invited keynote speaker, chairman of the sessions in national or state level seminars and conferences. He is member board of studies in Kakatiya University, Telangana University. He is surprising 8 PhD candidates. He is authored 2 books entitled as Search Engines and Meta Search Engines Great Search for Knowledge, published by Lambert Academic Publishing, Germany, and Manual of Library and Information Science for UGC NET SLET. He is author for state government science textbooks, Telugu academic books, involved in various confidential activities as paper setter, moderator, and evaluator. I would like to welcome our guest speaker to share the knowledge in the resource discovery tools, information search strategies in digital era. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you,
Now the
madam.
platform is yours.
Thanks a lot. I take this opportunity to thank Sri Kanyaka Parameshwari Arts and Science College, Chennai, college principal or correspondent, and Dr. K. Malathi Madam, Dhanavantini, and academic fraternity, library science professionals, ladies and gentlemen. Very good evening to you one and all. And today I am going to share my views. What are the resource discovery tools that mainly useful for searching the information and
Sir, you are not audible.
search strategies to search the
Sir,
information. Is it
sir,
audible?
you are not audible.
Not audible. Source discovery tools. Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is it audible, my sound?
Yes, sir.
Not audible, madam is saying, just check everyone.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Just to check everyone whether sound is clear or not. What is the problem? Just
It is audible. It's clear,
Sir,
sir.
you are clear, sir, now.
now clear, huh? Now clear, huh, madam?
Sir, you
Yes,
can
yes.
continue, sir. You are clear now.
Yes, just a minute, Sound is clear and audio is clear to everyone. If it is clear, I will start.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir,
Huh?
it is clear.
Ah,
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Oh, that's why I'm asking whether it is clear or not. I need to check it first. So these are some of the resource discovery tools, search engines and meta search engines for academic excellence. So this is where we discussed about introduction, federated search technology, popular search engines, scientific search engines. Still problem. From your end, it will admit now, madam. So they are joining. Still, people are joining. Hello?
Sir,
People are joining yourself. Someone is admitting, na?
yes, sir, I am admitting.
Okay. Yeah. So resource discovery tools, we will focus on information search strategies in digital era. So what are the resource discovery tools are there, how it will be useful, the library academic fraternity. So outline of the talk, if you see, introduction, federated search technology, we will discuss about scientific search engine, popular search engines, Indian search engines, academic search engines, resource discovery tools, search strategies to search online. There are different types of search strategies are there, whether it may be Boolean operator search, AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator, truncation operator, like the different types of search strategies are there. Before searching to the information, we need to know the search strategies, then we can retrieve relevant information, and how we need to mine the data is also very, very useful. So where there are ocean of information is available, but a user is required only drop of information. How we need to get the drop of information? It is a very efficient and very, very difficult task if you don't know the search strategies. So such strategies we will discuss, and what is going on in resource discovery tools we will discuss, conclusion and further research. So this is the scenario, what is happening in an internet 1 minute. 1 minute, what is happening. So lots of data storage, WhatsApp information, social media information, and other information it is storing. So when are you observing these images, searcher is going to be frustrated. So while searching that information, what exactly he required, he is unable to get that information. Sometimes he want to throw it out the computer. So that type of frustration is taking place with the searchers. Okay, when we are want to relevant information, if you are unable to get what you are doing, searching and searching, wasting your valuable time. So where you need to search, if you know, then it is easy. The URL you need to know it, and where that data will be available, you need to know it. How we need to search that information is also very important. So everyone, depending on the search engines and librarians and data mining specialists to search that information. So whenever you require any information, what we are doing, we are simply going to the Google search engine and searching that information as per the keywords. But whether that information is relevant, trustworthy, accuracy, who need to decide it? It is a very, very difficult task. So librarians will help in providing the relevant information. So Neelamegan rightly said that we cannot get relevant information unless and until an expert librarian is there. Google will search millions and millions of results, but a librarian will give unique results to the end user. So that is the power of the library science and library science professionals. What exactly is required? We are helping the users and patrons to the end users what they require in different disciplines. So this is the internet has become the world's panacea for information transfer and exchange. Searching for information on the internet has made life so simple and exciting. So everyone, we are searching that information, we are going to be excited. So what information we need to get it. So the development of the World Wide Web by its founder, Tim Berners-Lee, in 1991 has revolutionized the information storage, searching, and retrieval on internet. So this is the World Wide Web. The founder is Tim Berners-Lee. So in 1980s, it started revolution of the internet revolution in the 20th century, 21st century. It is in a digital era. Still, internet revolution is going to take place. So internet with billions of information resources, searching for required and relevant information from such a vast store of information will not be possible without efficient search strategies. So there is a need to search efficient search strategies, best search strategies, then only engine will ready and relevant information will be given to the end user. This is the information superhighway has made it possible to interlink the hypertext documents and access them through web browsers. So everyone, we are accessing the information through web browsers. Computer will understand zeros and ones, whatever the information will give, that will be converted into the zeros and ones. This is the information superhighway. So where we are going to get that information. So there is a paradigm shift from search engines and meta search engines for effective information retrieval on the web. Meta search engines enable users to enter search criteria once and access several search engines simultaneously. So this is the power of the search engines and meta search engines. This is the age in digital era, everyone we are depending on the e-resources, electronic information. So printed information is very much consulting by the users. So very less they are consulting to the documents and books and reference resources. Everyone is depending on the different types of databases, e-resources, e-books. So in this era, what search engines will play a very important role. So now there is a paradigm shift. You are observing here, there are different types of search engines are available: Google, Yahoo, Alta Vista, AskGeeves, Overture, Excite, MSN, Netscape Navigator. Like that, 4,500 search engines are there and 1,200 meta search engines are there. So why we need to search all this information? So we need to be excel. If you are teaching in the academic environment, you need to update yourself every day. What is the latest upcoming things in your subject area? So we need to commit ourselves. So excellence will come because of the dedication, driving force, commitment, all is required. So we need to dedicate ourselves towards the profession. Commitment is required, driving force is required, then excellence will come. So there, these resource discovery tools, mainly search engines and meta search engines, and we are also calling it as federated searching, deep mining, web mining, data mining. So all these concepts are linked with the big data analytics and artificial intelligence. So there is a big data, what in the opening remarks I told to you, there is an ocean of information is available, but what exactly user is required? A drop of information, different researchers need different information in their subject area. Someone is required literature, someone is required mathematics, someone is required agriculture, someone is required in different fields. So how you are going to get that information? So that is an important area. So here we are stating that federated search and deep mining, web mining, what exactly it will give. So simultaneously, users, whenever users are searching that information, it will go to the internet, and where internet, it will crawl all that information, collect the information related to that keywords. So federated searching nothing but in a single point access from various resources. From various resources, it will collect that information and it will provide to the end user. That we can call it as a federated searching. So user will give only single query, but this query will be distributed into different search engines and databases. And whatever the databases and search engines, it will retrieve that information that will be aggregated at one place and it will give to the end user. That is the whole idea and concept of the federated searching or meta searching or web mining or data mining. So deep web, sometimes web is unable to find out that information. So deep web algorithms will retrieve that information. So we'll see that some of the algorithms, how it is going to be retrieve that information. So Google will use here PageRank algorithm. There are many other search strategies are using thousands of search strategies. So this is the search engine. So federated search, how it is going. So one of the user is searching that information as a fishy. So he is searching that information from federated search. Assume that one database is there, one repository is there, one internet is there. From various resources, information is getting again to the end user. So here that we can call it as federated search. So query will travel like this, and different search engines it will go, and it will index in the different search engines, and the finally aggregated results it will give to the end user. So, so this is the query. So for example, what you are giving Kanyaka Parameshwari College, Arts and Science College, you want to know the address. So you are giving these keywords to the web search engine. So what it will do? So what are the keywords it is given? According to that, it will match wherever these keywords is available in the databases. It will match that index, and finally aggregated results will be given to the end user. Then we can call it as a federated searching. Federated searching is okay. So this is we can also search what not only the single databases, different types of databases we can search: ProQuest, Science Direct, Expo, IEEE, voice of Chettil, like that different databases also simultaneously it will search. It also we can say that it is in a cross database searching. So not only single database, users can access, users can search multiple databases, So what is federated searching means here? Federated searching is nothing but searching different databases simultaneously and giving the results to the end user. So these are the different types of technologies we are using in federated searching. One is the broadcast searching, consolidated searching, cross database searching, distributed searching, integrated searching, meta searching, portal searching, and federated searching. This is also one of the technology. So common federated search features are here. So remember that federated means multiple searches. How it is going to be searches multiples by search strategies. What is the search strategies? We are going to discuss it here. That we can call it as limitations. That may be a subject, that may be an author, that may be a title, that may be a keyword, whatnot. Bibliographical items. So bibliographical items will be used to search that information. So simple and advanced search features are there. Clustering, visual search interface, faceted results, rich site summary, search alerts. These are the common federated search features. So limitations means, so if you want to search that information by using author, you can search. You want to search by title, you can search. So these are some of the limiters, we can call it as search strategies. So bibliographical items, you know very well, author, title, subject, ISBN number, and publication, place of publications, like that. These are the important limiters. So we can also search, cross search, harvested search. So distributed query, multiple databases it is going to be searched, that we can call it as harvesting. So large index it is going to be searched. So these are the features of the common federated search. Cross search, we can also connect, we can also gateways, extensible markup languages, Z39.50, you know that, information retrieval protocols, screen scraping, fastest first, relevancy ranking, deduping, clustering. So what we are using the protocols for this? OA, BMH, METS, MODS, logs, custom formats, OA, Open Access Initiative for Protocol Metadata Harvesting, Metadata Encoding Transcription Schema, Metadata Object Description Schema, lots of copies, keep, stop, save. These are some of the abbreviations which we are using in the protocols. OAPMH means Open Access Archival Initiative for Protocol Metadata Harvesting, Metadata Encoding Transcription Schema, lots of copies, keep, stop, save, logs, custom formats. So federated search technology is an integral component of an information portal, which provides the interface to diverse information resources. So these are the diverse information resources, whether it may be e-journals, databases, print collection, other digital repositories on the internet. So these are the resource discovery tools. How he is going to get that information? What he is doing, he is simply passing the query. So where that query will go to different databases. How it will go, how it is going to be searched. So what is the ranking method? How it will be filtered, and how exactly it is going to be given to the end user. Okay. There's a number of results are filtered here in the library collection. So here 50 to 20 results are there. Exactly it is came to 6 to 7. So summarizing the results. Okay. This is the searching and indexing. Now finally it will give to the end user. So discovery services we are using, web scale discovery services, EBSCO discovery services, Science Direct, meta searching, local searching, So what not? In libraries, we are using standalone applications or opaque and next generation cataloging and discovery tools. It provides information from various resources and ranks them, keyword indexing them, tagging them, and finally it will give the end user. So federated searching reduces the time it takes to search and usually display results in a common format. So federated solutions support multiple search protocols. So that protocols we have seen, multiple protocols simultaneously it will access and it will fetch the URLs where it will be there. It will check the spellings, what keywords you are used, and duplicating it will be eliminated, and in a single click it will provide the information to the user. So what I did, if you also want to search it around 3:30. I searched in the Google search engine Sri Kanyaka Parameshwari. So what does it mean? What it is going to be understand? So for that, 1,75,000 results I have received. Yeah, 1,75,000 results I have received in 0.87 seconds. 0.87 seconds. Next, what I did, Sri Kanyaka Parameshwari Arts and Science College I have given. Same 3:30 today. So what is that? It is given 32,100 results. In earlier case, 1,75,000. Next 32, when I added Arts and Science College. Are you observing? Next, this is the 3:30 today. And if you want to search, you can search now also the same results may come here and there, 1 or 100 and difference. Next, I added Sri Kanyaka Parameshwar Arts and Science College for women. When I added women, again search results are reduced from 32,000 to 30,000. So why I am discussing all these things? In a federated search technology, in a resource discovery tool, all these keywords will be matched somewhere where it is going to be matched. First, it will match the next Kanyaka. What are the keywords? It will be there. Parameshwari, arts, science, college for women. So whenever all the keywords it is going to be matched, what you are observing. And next I will see Kanyaka Parameshwari Arts and Science College for women channel. Then search results are drastically reduced to 17,400. So what does it mean? Earlier you have seen in the first instance, the Kanyaka Parameshwari, when I have given 1,75,000 results are there. Next, when I have given the Kanyaka Parameshwari Arts and Science College for women at Chennai, then the search results are drastically reduced from 1,75,000 to 17,400. So what is the bottom line of the takeaway from this session? As the keyword length is increasing, the search results are decreasing. So when the keyword length is increasing, automatically the search results are decreased here. So this is the status. So 1,75,000 to 17,400. So I hope that it is clear to everyone up to here. If it is clear to everyone, please type in the chat box C. Access is given. If it is given in the chat box, I will check it. So try to type in the chat box someone C. Okay. Right. So yeah. Okay, sir. Right. Okay. So now we'll move on to another area. So there is a lot of search engines are came into existence. You are all aware of that. In the initial, first I told that there are different types of search engines are there. 4,500 search engines are there. So the chronological development started in the year 1990. Archives 1991. Gopher 1992. Veronica. Mosaic 1994. Yahoo. Rediff. Google came into existence in 1998. So on and so forth. This is the search engine's chronological development. So those who want to know more about resource discovery tools and such strategies, they just refer this paper, Authoritative Sources in an Hyperlinked Environment by John M. Kleinenberg. This is the base paper for the resource discovery tools. Okay, in this paper, he discussed about a page contains authority and a relationship. Authority is based on the quality of the page, hub is based on the ranking of the pages. So authority hub relationship, it will maintain. So whenever anyone is uploading a page in a website, it will decide that whether that page is in a qualitative page or ranking of any page, any relevant text is there or not, it will check it. Otherwise, the page will become dead page in the web notion. So I assume that I will upload one page in Wikipedia or somewhere. Just I have written SKP Arts and Science and Women's College, Chennai, like that 100 times I will write. It is does not giving any meaning related to that college offering courses or what type of combination PG courses or UG courses or examination branch, principal's name. Nothing is there. Only the name is written 100 times. So this page is also it will fetch. What is the basis is here? Ranking. Ranking means resource discovery. Resource discovery is possible with the quality pages only. So sometimes these pages will become dead pages. So whoever is uploading like these pages, it will not fetch from the website. So this is another page rank, citation ranking, bringing order into the web. So this is earlier we have seen how user's query is going to be transmitted, and finally it will load the pages, and finally loaded pages will come to the end user. This is the query. Query will travel through search engines, related pages it will load and classifies. Finally sorted pages will come to the end. Okay, this is what exactly we are doing. We are discovering the resources always in the Google, but as a academicians, don't search in Google. Google is a popular search engine, not an academic search engine. There are various resource discovery tools are there. Okay, we'll see that resource discovery tools, what type of subject search engines are available. So this is the working process of the search engines: crawling, indexing, ranking, search and display. How it is going to be resource discovery. The basic idea is crawling is nothing but collecting the information which is related to the keyword. So whatever the keyword is giving, according to that it will retrieve. That
220.
okay. That we can call it as a crawling. Crawling is nothing but collecting the information which is related to the keyword. So indexing means alphabetical order, A to Z and Z to A. A textbook contains an index, chapter 1, chapter 2, like that. Chapter 3, the page number to this page number. So ranking. So we will conduct examinations in the semester system or in a year based. We'll give question paper. According to the students, will write the examination. How we will give the marks, ranking, how will come on the basis of who will perform well in the examination. On the basis of that, ranking will come. So finally, you can say it, search and display. So crawling, collecting, indexing, alphabetical order, ranking, first base, what is the keywords is there. According to that, the content it will retrieve. So that we can call it as inlinking and outlinking. So finally, searched pages will display to the end user. This is the crawler architecture. So this is the Google. Everyone we are using search engine. So who is this? Sundar Pichai. His salary is around 321 crores per year, so approximately 26.5 crores. What does Google means here? One with 100 zeros. The mission of the Google is to organize world information and make it universally accessible and useful. Okay, this is the mission of the Google, and Google will process 40,000 search queries every second on an average, which translates to over 3.5 billion searches per day. So what does it mean? So every second, users across the globe, 40,000 search queries are hitting to the Google database. And it is also going to translate every day 3.5 billion searches per day. 3.5 billion searches. Imagine. So this is the statistics I have taken from internetlifestats.com, Google search statistics. So every query has to travel on an average 1,500 miles to a data center and back to return the answer to the user. So I have given Kanyaka Parmeshwara Arts and Science College, Chennai. So what does it mean? I am asking where it is the address, the courses it is offering, like that. I'm asking. It's going to travel 1,500 miles. So mute someone. Someone mute. Who is that person? Okay. So every query has to travel on an average 1,500 miles to a data center and back to return the answer to the user. So a single Google query uses 1,000 computers in 0.2 seconds to retrieve an answer. So this is the power of the Google. So majority of the users across the globe are using Google search engine because of it is in a powerful search engine, not in a academic search engine, popular search engine, but not in academic search engine. As academicians, don't search in Google. So these are some of the emerging trends in Google: mobile first or artificial intelligence first, machine learning, speech recognition, image recognition, Google Glass, flying drones, Google Lens, Google Drive, Google Meet, Google Classroom, Google Forms, Google Docs, Google Sites. These are some of the icons of the Google search engine. And Google is using this PageRank algorithm for resource discovery tool. So how it is going to retrieve the answer? It is going to retrieve by using this algorithm and also some other thousands of search strategies. So it is a PageRank is a link analysis algorithm used by the Google Internet search engine. It is nothing but voted by all other web pages on the web. In a democratic country, we will elect the member of Legislative Assembly and member of Parliaments. So majority party leader is going to become the Chief Minister and Prime Minister. So how we are electing in a similar fashion, in the millions and millions of documents is there, then these documents will give voting to one another page. According to that, then rank will be decided. So which page is having, that page will become a leader page in the web notion. So first page will become a leader page and the remaining pages are hyperlinks pointing towards that page. So this is the algorithm which it is using in resource discovery tools, PageRank of how it is going to be calculated of this page. Assume that this is the page. These are the remaining pages. So how you are going to calculate this resource discovery tool? So 1 minus D plus D into PageRank of T1 by C of T1, PageRank of T2 by C of T2, PageRank of T3 by C of T3, so on and so forth, PageRank of Tn by C of Tn. This is the formula how Google is going to discover its resources by using this algorithm. I have given one base paper for this search engines, authoritative sources in an hyperlinked environment by John M. Klinenberg. So in that, he discussed about the quality and hub ranking of the pages. So ranking is based on this. So here PageRank is nothing but 1 minus D plus D into PageRank of T1 by C of T1. It means D value is set around 0.85. It is a common value. Like pi equal to 22 by 7 is 3.14. Small g value 9.8 meter per second square, like that. So we are substituting this value in this above formula 1 minus 0.85 plus where D is there 0.85 substituting and PageRank of T1. T1 means is a calculated value 0.5. How many inlinks are there? Arrow marks towards the PageRank of A. 3 inlinks are there. 1, 2, 3. So 0.5 by 3. plus next 0.3 by 4 plus 0.1 by 5. So these are the in links. So in links, once we submitted it, and then page rank of A it will come. So here in resource discovery tools, while discussing the search engines, precision and recall is important. Precision is nothing but percentage of retrieved documents that are relevant. That should be relevant, and recall is nothing but percentage of relevant documents that are returned. So when always precision should be high. And when precision is low and recall rate is high, it means you are not going to get the information. You are not going to mine that information. So we have seen one example how it is going to be retrieved by Google search engine. When I have given a keyword, Kanneka Parameshwari Arts and Science College, Chennai, 1,75,000 results it is given. So is it possible for a human being to search 1,75,000 results in a given period of time? It is not possible. So it is very difficult to search that information. So resource discovery tools, mainly we are depending. So opaque online public access catalog or information retrieval protocols like Z39.50, or directly we are fetching the databases, EBSCO databases, Scopus databases, or what are the databases are there, directly we are giving the username and password. So where we are going to get relevant information, exact information. If you are searching that information in popular and general search engines, you are going to waste your valuable time. Okay, these are some of the popular search engines, and scientific search engines is also there. So these are the popular search engines: Google, Yahoo, Bing, Lycos, and scientific search engines. So if you want to search any information which is related to science, then you can search not in Google. You need to search in Cirrus, SiteSeerX, Google Scholar, Sweet Search, TechExtra. These are some of the resource discovery tools in science. For science people, those who want to search in Cirrus, TECH Extra, TechExtra, SiteSeerX. So these are the Indian specific search engines: Rediff.com, IndiaTimes.com, DailyIndia.com, 123course.com, like that. These are some of the Indian search engines. Each country has its own search engines and meta search engines. Meta search engine is nothing but we are calling it as a federated search. Federated is nothing but meta search. So earlier I have shown this diagram, search engine diagram. Now this is the meta search engine. What it is doing, if you want to search artificial intelligence or cloud computing or data mining, what it will do, it will search that information from different databases. Artificial intelligence, while I am searching that information, in earlier case, left side, only Google search engine is there. In that Google search engine, if I search, it will retrieve from its own database, where artificial intelligence information is there. Or cloud computing, 3D printing, image technology, image processing, whatever the keywords in your subject area, you just give it to the Google search engine. What it will do, it will search from its own database. Whereas in the federated searching, meta searching, the same keyword, image processing or artificial intelligence, it will go to the Google, Yahoo, Bing, Lycos simultaneously. Finally, the end results will come in the name of top first results from Google it will take, and first results from Yahoo it will take, and top first results from Bing it will take. All the first results only it will take. Whereas in the earlier case, different types of results it is going to be taken. So this is the power of the meta searching or federated searching or resource discovery in mining the information. So this is the meta search engine working process. So aggregating results, finally it will give to the end users. So whatever it may be, resource discovery tools we are searching today, tomorrow it may be exist, tomorrow it may not be exist. So there is no perfect place or all-in-one resource discovery tool. So every day new resource discovery tools are coming to existence. According to that, what we need to do, we need to learn. So every day is a new learning process. These search engines, resource discovery tools, web mining tools, data mining tools, dig, discover, sharing are all dynamic work, not a static work. All are dynamic. So in a dynamic environment, we need to learn new concept every day. So these are the meta search, federated search, search engines, dog file. Or you heard the name of the dog file. This is meta search engine, Mamma. This is another meta search engine, mother of all search engines, SixPick, DuckDuckGo. This is also meta search engine. The country specific search engines is also there. In China, people are using Baidu search engine. If you want to search any information which is related to top universities in China or tourist places in China, what you need to do, you need to go and search in Baidu search engine, Baidu, Baidu. This is Yandex search engine. Top locations, top universities in Russia. If you want to search where you need to search in Yandex search engine or Moscow State University, like that St. Petersburg State University. What are the top universities? Because why we need to search in country specific search engines? Here it is providing its information in natural language. So this is Japanese Go search engine. In Japan, people are using Geo. They are not using Google search engine. Geo they are using. In Russia, Yandex. In China, Baidu. So each country has its own specific search engine. Search engine, New Zealand search engine. So as academicians, we need to search academic search engines. If you want to search any informations, this is a old from alpha. You just inform as a librarians. You just share this information in your colleges for subject faculty members. So this is an old from alpha. This it will provide different disciplines information: mathematics, science and technology, society and culture, everyday life. If you want to search in, for example, if you are clicked on physics, mechanics, oscillations and waves, statistical physics, if you specifically want to give any problem or any information which is relevant on oscillations and waves, damped harmonic oscillation, Doppler effect, spring pendulum, like that, different types of problems it is available. So this is useful for the academicians to prepare your lectures, notes, not only in one subject area, in different subject area it is available. Engineering it is available, aerospace engineering, like that. Electrical engineering, control systems, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, fluid mechanics, sound acoustics. The another academics resource discovery tool is BASE. BASE, BASE. This is also a resource discovery tool, Bellafield Academic Search Engine. So ERIC, Education Resource Information Center. This is another search engine. Microsoft Academic. This is also another search engine. Research More, Searchless. X. We have seen Google Scholar. Comparing to Google, you need to want to search Google Scholar, you need to search. Google Scholar is an academic search engine. So NPTEL, it provides uh, engineering information, engineering videos, National Program for Technology Enhanced Learning. So one shot, you can also search in National Digital Library of India, One Library, All of India. It is also providing information, engineering, science, humanities, literature, in different areas. It is providing the information. For example, if you click on engineering, then different branches of engineering, it will come aerospace, chemical, civil, computer science, electrical, electronics, mechanical. So this is one of the best resource discovery tool to search that information in different areas. NDL, it is maintaining by the IIT Kharagpur data. And Infotopia, this is also an academic search engine. It is also providing information on different areas: literature, math, science, social sciences, history. So if you are clicking on literature in English, non-English, English grammar, poetry, Greek mythology, Roman mythology, folk tales, like that, you can also search. Physical science resources are available. If you want to see the resources, how to visualize sound as a longitudinal wave in a recorded video, it is available. There are different types of academic videos are there. Experts are delivered these videos, like IIT professors or NIT professors or National Importance Institute professors, videos are captured and it is available under NDLI. So education world is there for faculty members, teacher essentials, administrators, lesson plans is available under this. Technology is there. Printable templates want to do for PPT presentation, it is available under education world. What we are discussing, all these are resource discovery tools, more specifically under education, education related. So IEEE, you can also search under IEEE Explore Digital Library, IEEE Standards, IEEE Spectrum. So IEEE Spectrum is there, IEEE Standard Association raising the world standards. So IEEE Explore, it is a digital library, the research database for discovery and access to journal articles, conference proceedings, technical standards and related materials on computer science, electrical engineering and electronics and so on and so forth. So upcoming events, it is also give for engineering. One more advantage is here, Circuit Scout, 32,352 circuit diagrams and schematics are available under this. So IEEE Computer Society is there, data sheets is there, Suite Search is the search engine for students, Tech Street. Tech Street is one of the important one, technology oriented, American Society for Engineering Education, 10 related to engineering, Tech Online, this is also related to engineering. So under that, different areas are there, components, digital processing, IO devices, power management, software, security, wireless, storage and memory, tools and development, electrical for you. You can also learn electrical engineering from this website, electricalforyou.com. Okay, this is engineering.com, your gateway to much more resources, webinars, ebook papers, projects, tools and softwares, games are available under this. Okay. ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, this is their crank.com and engineeringtips.com. You have seen Engineering Village is there, Science Direct is there, Eric we have seen, and engineering organizations, these are all. So I will focus on such strategies. With time factor, I am moving a little fast. So this is another important area where we need to focus on it. The first takeaway is there are various resource discovery tools are there apart from uh, general search engines, federated search engines, various databases are there, various search engines are there, academic search engines we have seen, mainly basically Bielefeld academic search engine and Microsoft Research Academic, Infotopia, Education World, World from Alpha. These are the different types of academic oriented search engines. So more specifically, if you want to search information science related, don't search in general search engines, search in science specific search engines. We'll see different types of search engines also in a given time. Basic search, it means text search. It is a basic model of R. You are all aware of that, LXI, VXI, DXI, low end, higher end. So like that, here also basic search, advanced search features are there. Advanced search features comes under and operator or operator, not operator. While using these keywords, then you are going to get relevant information. So these are some of the search strategies, techniques to search in online, trace searching, information retrieval, proximity searching, nearby keywords it will search, parenthesis searching. If you use Anyaka Parameshwari Arts and Science College and Chennai, in parentheses, computer will understand only it is a single keyword. Okay, so like that. Truncated search, multiple character searching, file format search, domain name search. So what it is the meaning is here, as you gain experience, the search engines will be able to conduct better and better searches, which means it will become quicker and easier to find what you are looking for. So World Wide Web has become an indispensable source of information for anyone. It needs to understand how users search and retrieve information. It plays an important role in finding the required information from ever-growing internet. So these are some of the combinations I have given in searching that information, and I have taken some of the examples. Vacuum tubes have transistors, or if a tourist wants to search that information somewhere, India, and Tamil Nadu. So what are the popular tourist places you want to visit? Then and symbol. So either this or that, vacuum tubes or transistor. Either only one it will give. It will broaden the search results. It will narrow your search results. It will limit your search results. So nesting means in parenthesis, single keyword it will take. And proximity searching means nearby keywords automatically it will collect. So domain specific also you can also search. Education related, government related, commercial related, and truncation. For example, if you give patent as a keyword, so it will retrieve patents, patentable, patented, because the star mark, whatever the other characters are there after the patent, it will automatically fetch and retrieve. So file format search, it is useful for everyone. So if you want to search any information through web, only PDF files you want, just give after your keyword PDF, and only PPTs you want, just give after your keyword PPT. So you want to give any information, cloud computing, PPTs you want, then cloud computing, after that give PPT. So what does it mean? Computer will understand. He is asking cloud computing PPTs. So it will match where cloud computing PPTs is there. So that is the discovery. How it is going to discover? According to your keyword. What is your keyword? Your search strategy. How you are going to search? If you know all these search strategies, then you implement it, then you are going to get relevant information. If not, what will happen? You are going searching and searching and searching. That frustrated in the initial, I have shown some images. Someone is ready to throw the computer because he is not getting, he is fed up to search that information, but he is not unable to get the relevant information. So these are the some of the search strategies. I have taken few search strategies to understand the concept and different areas. This is another tourism area, travel and tourism, travel or tourism, travel not tourism. Like that, strategies, it is in different colors. So resource discovery tools, we will see 50 resource discovery tools. AOL search, mass media and digital distribution, Ask Jeeves, question answering, academic info, and Bing, it is a semantic technology. BPubs is business publication search engine. Catala is law specific resource discovery tools. Sightseer is a research digital library. And Clusty, Congo, which is useful for current events and news services. Current events and news news searches. If anybody wants to go and search it, this is the resource discovery tool. Deeper web, cloud technique, Dogfile we have seen, DuckDuckGo, meta search engine, Ethnologue. This is the language resource discovery tool. Ethnologue, ERIC, Education Resource Information Center, Google, Google Bot, Google Scholar, Hotbot, Internet for Documents, Harvester 42. It will distribute queries in a 42 multiple search engines. Internet Public Library, EasyTo, Rich User Interface, Intuit. It is a British search engine. And XQuick, they are following star system like Google is following PageRank. Inspect, this is useful for information service for physics, engineering, and computing. So this is more specifically for physics, engineering, and computing resource discovery tool. JustCite is a legal research platform. Infomine is relevant to the faculty and students. iSeek is useful for students. Indeed is an American search engine. Lycos, it simplify your digital life. Mamma, we have seen mother of all search engines. Metacrawler, it is a Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask.com award. Mespracless, it will translate your text and calculators. One page multi search, it is a meta search engine and search engine advanced. OmniMedicalSearch.com, medical professional sites like PubMed, NIH, it will search. OmniMedicalSearch.com. Okay, OSTER is an open access resource for images. Also, one search engine is a photo search engine. 2 billion images are available under that. PubMed is a health science related information. RefDesk is a fact for the internet. RefSeek an ad-free search engine, and like that. Songza is in a music area search engine. Cirrus, science specific resource discovery tool. Sweet Search, it indexes 35,000 relevant websites. Savvy Search is another language search tool. TechExtra is useful for resource discovery tool, again for engineering and mathematics, sciences, and open library, world class literature, WorldCat, 10,000 libraries worldwide. They are using Yahoo, mainly using for mail search, Yovalink for structured data, EP is a deep web search engine. So we have discussed 50 such resource discovery tools in 1 or 2 minutes. Like that, 4,500 resource discovery tools are available for images, music, video, health, shopping, local cooking, finance, and jobs. Many other search engines are there. In music, we have seen Sonza, S1ZZA, like that. Last.fm, Pandora, Zogli, iLife. There are many other music search engines. Resource discovery tools are available. So images, different music, videos, health, shopping, local cooking, finance, jobs, different types of search engines are there. Images we have seen, Pixabay is a one other search engine. Okay, images you can search, staying connected. So you can connect from here with image, with text, then we can call it a quick search. You can also choose different colors and themes, sizes. According to that, you can search. So this is the resource discovery tool which have one developed. This is in a crawler. It is developed under code Java. Okay, where I have developed one search crawler. I have downloaded HTML pages and saved in a web browser and a database. So whenever I have given one keyword, it is on my name for them search crawler resource discovery tool. Once I have given computer, these are the search results I found. So whenever I have given Wikipedia, then this is the search result. And Hyderabad, this is the search query is not found. 404 not found. Sometimes we will receive it. So what does it mean? So that information which is not available in a resource discovery tool, then we can found that search query not found. So all these things are why we need to learn means excellence in the academics. As a faculty members, as the librarians, we need to know what are the mission matters and academic talent, research, learning resources, and operational governance. Okay. So academic excellence must be interpreted and developed within the context of the institution's mission and how university prepares students for success within their chosen field. So we are molding the children in different way. As a librarian, we are also guiding the students in different way according to their interest. Someone want to business industry, someone want to law, someone want to engineer. So according to their interest, we are molding the children in a classroom. So thought leaders, great teachers, and outstanding researchers are the fundamental drivers for the academic excellence. So I will try to conclude within 1 or 2 minutes. End it. In 1 or 2 minutes. So learning resources, governance is required. So these are some of the resource discovery tools, applications. Wherever research work is going on, you can connect with outside world, connect the similar interest academicians, faculty members, reach the students, create your personal and institutional websites with the people with google.com like that. So this is the conclusion. Human society has experienced unprecedented explosion of information with the advent of digital technologies. There is exponential growth of digital resources that are available in the online. There is no control and idea of offline resources. We are discussing only online resources, resource discovery tools, offline resource discovery tools. We are unable to get it. Military information, secret information, information, we are unable to get it. So what we need to do, search across several search engines is more successful than searching a single resource discovery tool. So we need to search.
Zoom meeting actually meeting charging.
So future trend in this area, if you see, spoken queries already came into existence, text query, no need to type now, always in Google, you just spoken, according to that it will retrieve. Natural language processing is taking place and matching the documents and designing. So always data mining developers, designers are improving the new ideas according to satisfying user needs. So these are the resource discovery tools, Google Glass, and further research it is going on in this area. So for this session, I have consulted these documents: Google Growth Success, Dynamics of Search Engine, SEO Search Engine Monetization, Next Generation Resource Discovery Tools. And this is the book which I have written, Search Engines and Meta Search Engines Great Search for Knowledge. Is available in the Lambert Academic Publishing. So this is my specific area in library and information science. Also, I wrote a group uses in a website. So this is useful for not only for the library science, it is also useful for all the competitive examinations which is related to library science, mobile apps, wearable technology, big data applications, information literacy, cloud computing, and previous year examination papers are included in this book. So this is my website, http sites google.wavevardhan.com. There also you can access my resources. So these are the resources, extension lectures delivered as head of the chairman board of studies conducted meeting. These are the lectures where I have delivered in different areas. So my papers, which is published on resource discovery tools, it is available just to give search engines and meta search engines effective information scholarly communication by Vivek Vardhan. This is my YouTube channel and this is my classroom information. So web terminology, I have developed some, I have to do smart PhD. Thank you very much for your patience listening. I hope that I have taken 1 or 2 minutes extra from your end. So thanks a lot for your patience listening. Any query is there, you are always welcome. Stop sharing here.
Thank
Hi,
you,
sir. Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thanks a lot.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening.
Sir, can you please let me know 2 examples for electronic resources? That is well used in library sciences.
Spectrum, NPTEL, Circuit Scout. Circuit Scout also discussed IEEE Spectrum, IEEE Digital, NPTEL, NDLI, IIT Kharagpur. These are all the resources which is related to electronics.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you define a single word in a single sentence like what is semantic search?
Semantics means meanings, exact meaning.
Okay.
Exact semantics
Okay.
meaning. What exactly it is going to fetch. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. It's nice presentation. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. So whoever is want to ask any questions, you just ask. Otherwise, you can also chat in the chat box. I will see your questions and I'll try to answer. So you can also share your opinion, how you feel the session in the chat box. All participants, you can also chat. I will share my email ID and mobile number in the chat box. Email ID, how you feel the session also you can share.
Sir, can you give some points on the single discovery tool system, sir?
These are the resource discovery tools. I have told now, if education related, don't go and search in other areas. Wolfram Alpha is there, BSc is there. These are the academic resource discovery tools. If you want science specific information, resource discovery tool is Cirrus. Okay. Somebody wants to listen music, his resource discovery tool is SOSDZ. Somebody wants to resource discovery and engineering, inspect is there. Like that, we have discussed 50 different areas resource discovery tools.
And a single window, sir, which
means whatever it is going to be fetched, then only it is going to retrieve. In open access, you cannot fetch all the resources. Scopus, we are spending lakhs of rupees, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, Turnitin. This is a commercial software. Why we are using? It will fetch all the databases. In a single window, it is not possible. If it is some commercial databases, it will fetch all the resources. Then it will retrieve. In open access, we cannot access all the resources. That is the user specific and protected with the username and password. Then only you can access it. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Share your views. And you can also pose the questions in the chat box. Someone is posted, we can search everything by Google. Then why the search tools are specific comparing with the Google. So Google is in a powerful monotony search engine. We are comparing Google search engine here. Google is using thousands of search strategies, not only a single search strategy. What we discussed only 5-10 search strategies. Thousands of search strategies it is using apart from along with the PageRank algorithm. So that's why Google is in a powerful search engine. It's a monopoly. 53% of market business with Google. Okay, but in China people will not use Google. In Russia people will not use Google. Okay, China people are using in Baidu search engine. Russia Yandex search engine, Japanese Go search engine. Why it is providing its information in natural language, Chinese language, Japanese language, Russian language, American language. Somebody want search engine is developed in Tamil language. People will not use other search engines. Layman can also search in Tamil language because people will aware of that. Okay. So chronological development of the search engines are taken place not only in this area, in semantic search engine, federated search engine, search technologies, data mining, big data analytics, how everything, every day it is going to be fetched different databases. Today, whatever the database is available, tomorrow it may not be exist. Tomorrow, new database somebody may open in the websites. Okay, that is also it will be fetched. Okay, 3 billions of websites are available, millions and billions of websites. So how you are going to search? Whatever the website is there today, tomorrow, the new thousands of websites it will come. For single Google query, why it is using thousands of computers in 0.2 seconds, it is retrieving the answer. So that's why Google isn't a powerful, but not in academic. It will provide the information 60 to 70% correct. But it is not in a trustworthy information, it is not in a reliable information. As academicians should not search in that information. You cannot teach it. Google, student will also search in Google. As a faculty member, if you are also searching in Google, what is the difference between student and you? Okay, so that's why I have given different search engines name. Base is I have given Wolfram Alpha, I have given Infotopia, I have given Cirrus, I have given Sightsee Rex, I have given IEEE Explore, I have given, because these search engines students doesn't know. And in base also we have given few examples. For example, physics, if you want to search any information related to Doppler effect problems. So higher order thinking skills problems are available. You can check it as a faculty member. You can check, you can search it. Then books will be available with the students. Everything is available online. Students also know this base search engine. How do you go to search? It means there is no academic programs like this. They are participating. If they are also participating, they are very much relevant. It is very difficult to engage the classroom. 50 minutes. Okay. As the librarians, what we are doing, we are depending on the library resource software. Okay, or OPAC, any other resources. We are searching. If 100 books are there, 1000 books are there, you can remember it and give it. If lakhs of books are coming into the library, thousands of books, whether the book is available in subject area or not, how you are going to search in OPAC? You are searching that information and retrieving. Okay. If student is also know OPAC and everything, we are sharing that information in mobile. Mobile apps is coming to existence. QR codes is coming to existence. We are educating the students to access the resources. Okay. So that is the one idea. So one of them are posed a nice question. Any other specific questions are there? If it is there also, I will try to take other questions. Everyone is shared their mail IDs. Just I shared my mail ID because if anything you require, you just share it. Please share video. Okay, then very fruitful session. Everyone, I think, hope that everyone you share your opinion in the chat box. And if any specific queries is also there, I will try to take it. Otherwise, I will try to wind up the session because the organizers is giving me the time 5 to 6. I have stick on 5 to 6 and 2 to 3 minutes I have taken extra and another 5 minutes I have given for the question answer session. So if everything is clear, so I will try to end the session. So if anybody is still it is there, you post your queries in the chat box and how you feel the session also you can post in the chat box. So many I'm searching in the chat box. If nothing is there, okay, over to you, madam. Just it is over. Shall I wind up the session? Tamil search engine, still it is under process, natural language. Google is translating.
I request all the participants to switch on their cameras for the photo shoot session. Thank you for switching on your cameras. Thank you for sharing your incredible knowledge about resource discovery tools, search engines, rank page calculation, and federated searching with us, sir. On behalf of Sri Kanyaka Parmeshwari Arts and Science College for Women, Chennai, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our guest speaker for sharing the useful information and everyone who's supporting us to make the session beautiful. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, madam. Right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam.
Nice presentation, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you all. So
Thank you, sir.
I'll leave from the session. Okay.